Here is the answer for day 3. Use the graph for the trig function to find all values of x in the interval negative 2 pi to positive 2 pi for this function. The sine of x is equal to negative 1/2. So what we need to do is look at that graph and turn the paper on end so that the graph goes the correct direction. And we want to find where the function has values of negative 1/2. And that's going to occur in 4 different places within this interval. On the y-axis, here is negative 1/2. And so this dot right here has that value. This dot right here has that value. And then as we go further to the right along the x-axis, this dot here and this dot here have a y-coordinate of negative 1/2. So the question is, what is the x value of those 4 dots? This one here at the bottom of the screen is negative 5 pi over 6. This dot right here is negative pi over 6. This dot right here is 7 pi over 6. And scrolling up a little bit, this last dot is 11 pi over 6. So at these 4 values for x, the sine of those angles is negative 1/2. And that can be confirmed on a unit circle. For example, 7 pi over 6 radians, which is located right here, has a y value of negative 1/2. 11 pi over 6, located right here, also has a y value of negative 1/2.